Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make something Mexican. Jalapeño chicken tacos. Here are the ingredients. This is ground chicken without any spices added, so very natural. For the vegetables, chopped shallot, chopped cherry tomatoes, cubes of zucchini, and fresh cilantro. As I could not find any fresh jalapeno peppers, I bought this jar of jalapeno slices. Well, looks very decent. Just testing if the jalapenos are hot enough. Yes, they are. The wok is hot. It's filled with olive oil, so I'm placing the ground chicken in there. Load of paper. I'm gonna go straight in with the herbs and spices. First, black pepper. Some fettuccine, also known as MSG. It's like salt, more flavorful than Ras Al Hanout, North African spice. Very aromatic. Of course, cumin. Quite a lot. Pimenton, Spanish smoked paprika. For the smokiness, of course. Plus some oregano. In with the shallots. There I got 3 taco shells straight into the preheated oven on 180 degrees. We're almost there, so I'm going to add my zucchini plus cherry tomato. And the jalapeno peppers, of course. Not all, but quite a lot. I like my dishes to be spicy. Most dishes, for sure. Something like this. Then I almost forgot to put sriracha in there for extra spice. It's time to build the chicken tacos. The jalapeno chicken tacos, that is. So I'm gonna give them a good filling of chicken meat with all the other ingredients. Taco number 2. Sure you get all the ingredients in every taco shell. especially the jalapeno. And I'm just putting just a little bit more sriracha in there for the fresh flavor and the decoration. A little bit of that beautiful fresh cilantro. I'm gonna try this. I love that ground chicken. Tender meat. And a beautiful combination of flavors because of all the spices, the herbs and the sauces. Of course, as always, these taco shells are falling apart. This is messy. I love the combination of the jalapeno peppers and the sriracha. Double spice. And then with the fresh cilantro. Beautiful. Wanna thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.